Hey Colin, I just wanted to say thanks again so much for your time today and congratulations on the new GLC 2019. Very exciting, your first Mercedes-Benz. So like we discussed, a couple options for you with extended warranty. Now on the vehicle, I know you said you're going to keep it for 6 to 7 years possibly. I would highly recommend getting the extended warranty because your factory warranty is only 4 years or 80,000 kilometers. Now what that gives you is your comprehensive and your powertrain. So your powertrain is your transmission, engine, pretty much anything that touches oil. Your comprehensive is the really important one, and that tends to fail us nowadays because of all the new technology. That's going to be your navigation, your Bluetooth, your backup camera, your touch screen, all your lane sensors, all those fancy gadgets we have now with this new technology. So here's a couple options for you to customize your coverage. Over here, we're looking at a GLC. So on 24 months, so add another 2 years of coverage to the vehicle, or we can add up to 3 years. I would suggest if you're going to do the 6 years, you're going to be about $43 added on your payment. Now, we had a customer in here the other day, Sarah, her backup camera went, no problem, because she had the extended warranty. She was completely covered, no extra money out of her pocket. Another reason that it benefits you in the future, if you trade your vehicle in, now here's a market value assessment for our dealership here. This customer had an extended warranty and got an extra $700 on their trade. So anywhere from $1,000 to $700 you'll get on top of your trade-in as well. You can let me know. I'll give you a call in the next 15-20 minutes with any questions you might have about this extended warranty. And you can let me know if you wanted to either add it to your payment or you can just pay for it up front. Any way you want to do it. Thanks so much again. Look forward to talking to you.